This old shower cartridge was broken and causing leaks, so we had to replace it. The first thing you have to do is use the tool that comes with the cartridge to remove it. After you screw it into place, make sure it's tight and secure so you can pull it out efficiently. After he pulls it out, you can see what the old cartridge looks like. Now that he's removed the cartridge, it's time to put in the new one. He's quickly able to put it into place, and now he has to put in the clip over top of it. The clip is responsible for making sure the cartridge doesn't come out of place. It's time to test it and see if it works properly. As you can see, everything looks like it's working properly. So now it's time to put on the cover. He actually says that this next part is the hardest step. Getting the screws in place can be very difficult. It actually took him quite a few minutes to get this taken care of. Luckily, he finally got it, and now he's screwing them in. Now that the cover is in place, it's time to put on the new handle. Make sure you put it on correctly according to the directions that come with it. After he's done, he makes sure everything works properly once again. As you can see, everything is looking fantastic. So now all he has left to do is put the cap on. And that's how you replace a shower cartridge. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.